Hi folks, Adam with Bruco here. Just wanted to take a moment today to discuss the updated CDC guidance regarding the disinfection of surfaces. Today is April 8th, 2021, and the CDC came out with their updated guidance 2 or 3 days ago on the 4th or 5th, I believe. And in that guidance, they basically say that using disinfectants on surfaces may not be required under normal circumstances, probably isn't required under normal circumstances, unless in the case of COVID that there's been a known case in that space in the last 24 hours. And at Bruco, that's kind of always been our mindset, that cleaning supersedes disinfection. If you read the label of any of the chemical disinfectants that you use, they're all going to say that in order to disinfect a surface, it must be pre-cleaned. And so you can clean without disinfecting, but you can't disinfect without cleaning. You can't disinfect dirt. We have to remove the gross soils before we can truly disinfect a surface. And so if we're focused on the cleaning aspect, which is the removal of soil, the removal of germs and bacteria, the chances of improving outcomes over an approach that relies on killing bacteria and viruses, the chances of improved outcomes are going to be better if we're really focused on removal of soil and germs. There are instances where it's still appropriate to disinfect. Obviously, healthcare facilities are still going to have disinfection required in certain areas. Anywhere that we have bodily fluids, whether it's in healthcare or school or office, if there's a bodily fluid, blood or whatever it may be, we still would want to disinfect those surfaces. But from a standpoint of daily cleaning in an office building, in a school, in a retail store, as the CDC now recommends, we probably don't need to use a disinfectant product. And as you wrestle with some of this stuff in your mind, you're probably thinking about, well, we're using disinfectants everywhere right now. We're getting a lot of films. We're getting a lot of complaints, or maybe some complaints about exposure. And if you read the label on the ingredients in a lot of disinfectants, it's not real nice stuff that's in those products. Quaternary ammonium chlorides are not something you want to be chronically exposed to. And you definitely don't want to mist it into the air, right? If you're using foggers or misters, we should be using a different type of chemistry in those as compared to what we use on surface cleaning. That's a separate subject. But when we're asking our custodians, our janitors, and our housekeepers to be chronically exposed every day for large parts of the day to disinfectant chemicals, we have to weigh the risk of that to the risk of maybe not killing a germ on a surface that is unlikely to be transmitted to another person. And so if those are things you're questioning, thinking about, wondering how do we make a change here to make things safer or more effective, please reach out. We'd love to help you. You can in most cases probably remove disinfectants from the cleaning process and still deliver a clean, safe, and healthy building to your building occupants. In some cases, a safer and cleaner and healthier building to your building occupants. And that's a good thing. So if you're wrestling with that, please reach out to Bruco or reach out to your Bruco business advisor. We would love to help you out and just have that conversation and see where it goes and how it can help you improve. Thank you.